Okay, if you have a late 2012 Mac Mini server, if you're using the system to digitize MiniDV tapes, connecting the iLink port on the camcorder to the Firewire port on this system, you are probably experiencing a green screen, at least if you're trying to get a higher quality video out. This is the Canon Vixia HV40, and this one does 1080i and will record in HDR format. That the camera itself formats to 1920 by 1080p interlaced. And this is what happens when I try to record off of it. You can see I am connected on the Firewire port, and the other end of that cable is connected to this system. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this on in play mode. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and launch QuickTime. A new movie record. Okay, in QuickTime I'm going to select new movie recording. I'm going to press play on the camcorder and then start recording. Okay, you can see the recording going, and then when I stop that recording, so you see all I have is a green screen, and if I play it, all I'm going to get is audio and a green screen. I'm told it's a firmware issue with the late 2012 Mac Mini server, an issue that older Firewire enabled Macs did not have, but I did find an acceptable fix for this. For starters, you do need to disconnect the Firewire. You cannot have any kind of output cable connected to it, because there are certain settings that will only appear when there's no connection. Okay, and so I'm going to go ahead and press the function button to bring up the menu, and I'm going to go ahead and select the menu, and that number 2, I'm going there, and that DV output, again, you don't see this if a Firewire cable is connected to it. No output cables can be connected. And then go down to DV output, and it's currently HDV/DV. Enter and select DV locked. Okay. And apparently that at HDV DV setting, to try to get a good quality image, it will vary the frame rate and other aspects of the video, and this Mac cannot keep up with that. It loses its ability to record the video. If you do DV locked, I am told in the settings that you still get your HDR quality. If that's what you recorded in, you still get that when you digitize it. It is still 1080i, but it fixes the settings, fixes the frame rate. There's no variation on it, and that's your Huckleberry right there. Okay, I'm going to press play on the camcorder, and I'm going to start recording. Okay, you can see here it's recording, but I got a good enough sample here. I'm going to stop recording, and then in that order I stop the camcorder. Now notice it's not a green screen. And why is it blue? Well, it was initially blue before the camcorder started displaying the content on the cartridge. And there you are. There you have it. And so that setting will take care of it. Please give us a like and subscribe on the channel and to get more such content, and thank you for watching.